Welcome back to my how to successfully crush a Minecraft modded server using industrial mods. Hopefully I have fixed the computer fan noise in post-processing. I've received a couple of suggestions on that. And I have also moved my mic pretty much as far as I can move it, so hopefully that has helped. In this set of videos I will be going over an active build. Currently this has been running for about 2 weeks. Actual build time is 12 to 14 hours, I would say. The server that we're running on has currently been up for about 3 weeks, and as of yet has not received any lag due to this system. Currently there are 2 versions of the system running on the server. This one is for the spawn city, and another several people who are rather large builders have their own version of this. Even with 2 of these systems, no significant server performance has been noted, so overall it would be considered a very successful build. Currently we're looking at the 4 MFR laser drills that are providing raw materials for the spawn city. Each one is powered by 8 nuclear reactors. Power output for each varies between 80 and 360 EU a tick. They're all single core reactors, so it's the reactor block, no additional components to that. I will be covering reactor designs and the reactor fuel processing math in one video. A second video will be covering the MFR laser drill mechanics, as well as what focuses to use to get the materials that you need. And a third video will be covering the wiring methods that I've been trying to use, as well as some suggestions to find out if you should be attempting to rewire your AE systems or if they're pretty much as compact as possible. So moving down, we have my what was originally a suspiciously flat area. It's a bit of a tongue twister there. This was originally a very large quarry hole. I simply dug it out for getting a nice open working space, as well as the initial materials for the build. Here we have a small AE system used for bulk storage. Anything that is basically cobblestone or dirt comes over here for storage. This is a somewhat unrelated material reprocessing from the mob spawners. It's in here solely for the open space. This is the primary ore processing for the city, as well as the nuclear fuel reprocessing. We can currently run 2 quarries into this, as well as the constant supply from the laser drills, and the system will not be overly clogged. I will be covering in a video the math behind the IC2 thermal centrifuges, as the documentation appears to have never existed in the first place. And the final portion of this area is the auto processing for Autocrafting, and the black white white ender chest is the local building projects supply. So a lot of these ender chests are simply for moving items around, not really for storing anything. Also, 1 level down, the nuclear reactors for supplying power to the entire system, And if we travel down to the bottom level, we have the molecular transformer, courtesy of the Advanced Solar Panels mod, and we're using this currently to first of all burn uranium into MOX fuel, or plutonium rather, and currently I have a project that requires a large amount of ruby, so I'm simply transforming redstone into ruby. This change, I believe, was brought about due to the EU matter being moved from the solid blobs to a liquid form. Consequently, the molecular transformer can be used to convert iron to iridium. From a balance standpoint, it might be a little on the weak side, only costing 9 million EU to do so. But from a let's not crush the server because 10 people are running cobblestone into scrap into EU matter buckets into iridium because they want to have their grav suits, it's doing wonders. So with that, I will go ahead and wrap up. I am expecting this section to run 6 to 7 videos, none of which are recorded yet. So look for these to be out within 2 or 3 days. Recording I should be finished with in probably 2 hours, including post-production. However, upload will be over 2 or 3 days, just due to my rather abysmal upload speed. So, until then, think big.